this is the problem. You see this? Of course you don't. Because it's fucking broken. We need to fix this.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do, which I've already started doing, is you want to get these pins into your radio, just so you can pull the radio out to access the rest of the dashboard. So put them in, and using a couple of plastic removal tools, this just helps you remove it. Cheeky neighbour there. Just remove all the pins from the back of your radio. So, with the radio removed, you just want to keep going at it and start removing bits and pieces. Mainly what you'll be using for this will be the Torx 20 and a Torx 25. Just remove the carriage from in here. You'll also want to undo these screws underneath the air vents. To remove this, you have to actually pull quite hard to get the pins out of the bottom here. Like so. These metal pins are pushed quite firmly into there. And this. Nope. So once you've removed this part of the console, there's a couple screws under here which will be holding this into place. Try and get my crippled ass down here. I don't know how well you'll see in this on the GoPro, but I did put it on a wide lens, hoping that it'll help. When she asks you, where did you learn how to do that? This is the point where you'll remember. We're trying to get screws out already in place. And I can already tell that this main camera is going to die very soon. You guys will have to tell me what you think of the POV kind of camera, and it's worth doing more of these. Anyway, let's try and speed this up a little bit. This will come out, keep playing at it, but that's not the objective of what I wanted to do here today. Okay, that might be one less that we'll have to deal with. Two in there. Right. Okay. Made a bit of a dog's dinner with this one because I can't see all the screws, but there we go, I've finally seen them. Right, there we go, that's better. One. All of that just to get to these tiny little bulbs. Oh, ridiculous. Hey, we have a light. Shut up. We have a light. So, that's something. At least I know it works. Again. Two lights! Hey! Okay, well, it looks like that works. Well, I can only tell when it gets dark. I can tell you now, that is the job I do not want to do again. I hope now that it's done, it will stay done. Because I'll have to pay someone to do it. Because that was horrendous. I do not want to do that again. But saying that, now that I have done it, I think I'll know where to go in the future to make it a bit easier on myself. Because putting it back was a dream. Putting it back was absolutely fine. So there we are. That is how to replace the lights in your heating control panel.